This week we are going to the thrift store to find some items that we can decorate with, and we're making some budget-friendly, beautiful handmade gifts. I also went to my secret free furniture spot. Stay tuned, it's gonna be fun.
I like the way you hung the moon. I just like being close to you. When you're gone, I feel so blue. Yeah, I like the way you hung the moon.
I just pulled up to the store. I am here because the new colors are arriving today. Levi, what are you doing? Where's your baby? Go get your baby. You got your baby. How you feeling, Dad?
But I did all the gardening.
Everyone wants to know if you got the couch.
Yep.
I love it. You're the hero. You love that couch?
I got the right one, didn't I?
Yeah, you did. Right, here is the sofa. We're gonna do a fun display out here. I absolutely am so happy. My dad is the best. I am going back to my house. I got the new colors. They're right over here. I cannot show them to you yet, but they make me so happy. The big color reveal is coming. I am back at the thrift store because I need to find some little things to paint with the new colors. Okay, this is beautiful for $15, but I do not want to paint an ottoman right now. That is cute for $7, but no. I did find 3 gorgeous pieces of furniture to paint. They are all finished, but I cannot show them to you yet because the big color reveal is not until November 1st.
Pretty without you, pretty without you.
The very first project we have is using a portion of the angel mold and the frame mold. We are going to make some quirky lady face ornaments. I love lady face paintings and head vases. I have them all over my house. They fit my personal style, so if you like that style, you're going to love these ornaments. I start by dusting the molds with cornstarch, and I really like to use the paper clay because it gives you a more vintage look and it's a lot easier to work with. I am manipulating the clay so that they will fit these little tiny mirrors. These are perfect for my ornament idea, and we are offering 3 free mirrors with any IOD purchase.
No makeup on my sleeve, now I can't keep it together. I'm so beautiful without you. Now my nails can grow, and I bought new shoes. I'm pretty without you, pretty without you, pretty without you, pretty without you.
The paper clay can curl up and shrink a little bit when it dries, so I like to glue them down to my surface immediately. Then I wait 24 hours for the molds to dry before I begin to add the paint.
Under my eyes since you left with your light. No makeup on my sleeve, now I can't keep it together. I loved and I lost what's left of my heart. I'm saving for the future.
Okay, Ellie is gonna meet me. I need to go in there and find a piece to paint for the new colors.
I just got to Consignment Classics. Debbie's already in there. She's one step ahead of me this morning, and we're gonna go find her and see what we will be buying this week.
I was pretty excited when I found this vintage jewelry armoire. I have never painted one of these before, but I have heard from my friends that they are totally trending. I think that they would be great to put your art supplies in or your jewelry. I think I would use it for all kinds of jewelry making supplies. It will eventually be for sale on my website. Just wait and see what happens to this thing.
Debbie just bought the jewelry cabinet thing. It was $149, but she is going to repaint it, and I think that we will be able to sell it for a good amount. So hopefully it was worth it. Debbie, you need to get a car wash.
I know it. My house is clean though, so what about that?
This is the situation right now. Oh, a leaf? Okay. Okay, we're gonna go pick up the piece. We are driving to the back end. This is a day in the life of us. Debbie just bought the piece. Now we gotta find the receipt, but she lost it already. It runs in our family.
I don't have the receipt.
All right, we got it in the car. Thank you. Debbie, you need to clean out your car.
What? That's
You don't see anything?
No, my house
Does your guys' car look like this?
I have one thing to say. My house is clean now, and it's impossible for your car and your house to be clean at the same time. I am using Old 57 for the base coat. Because DIY paint has just 9 ingredients and it's mostly clay, it will work like a primer, but you need to let that base coat sit for 24 hours before you blend or do anything else to it. There's a mirror right here. Can you see it? I don't think you can see it. It's going to be for sale on my website, and I'm going to show you how I'm painting it, but only in black and white until November 1st, and then you can see the colors. But we will sell it on the website, but you won't know what colors they are if you just want to buy it sight unseen. It's going to be good. While I was waiting for the other ornaments to dry, I got out the angel mold again to make some personalized ornaments for my family this year. I think this is my new favorite mold. I let these angels dry overnight, and since I wasn't gluing them down to anything, I put a very lightweight book on top of them. This is so they don't curl up on the edge, but you don't want the book to be too heavy or you could smush the mold. After the clay had dried for 24 hours, I coated each side with some diluted tacky glue. This will strengthen the clay, make it a little bit stronger.
Yeah.
So now we're going into the other consignment classics. What are we gonna look for?
We're going to look for things that we can flip to give as gifts during the holidays, because the gift giving season can be really expensive. Keep me out of focus. I like it better that way.
Okay, fine, I'll be in focus.
You know, I'm on a budget, so I want to make as many gifts as possible and save money. And so we're going to look for things that you can turn into gifts for your friends or decor for the holidays, because Christmas is pricey.
You guys know the drill. Yeah, you guys don't like this thrift store because this is not a thrift store. It's expensive.
Really neat Christmas ornaments, but they're $20. Consignment Classics. It is not a thrift store. It is a consignment store. I'm in there like twice a week. It is filled with all kinds of treasures, and it's hit and miss. Some things are expensive and some things are not. And if it doesn't sell in 30 days, they mark it down. And if it doesn't sell in 60 days, they mark it down. So I have found many things that I love that have been marked down once or twice. I resell them in my shop or I put them in my home. It is in the same mall as my antique mall space in Encinitas, California.
Cried out tears of joy. Boy, you must think, boy.
So my dad put the first coat of Hey Sailor on. What are you going to put on next, Dad?
Well, do you meet approval?
Well, it needs one more coat and it needs a sealer.
Yeah, I know.
But what's the next color? You
Next color.
just said it. Say it.
Carrie,
Yeah. Where are you going to put it?
I'm going to put it on this.
Oh, okay. Right there? Okay. Yeah, put the apothecary there. It looks cute. Then we took a break and went to get some carnitas at one of Ellie's favorite restaurants.
I don't want your pity, baby. You got it
We sell this beautiful deckled edge watercolor paper on our website, and it is perfect for stamping. I'm using it to create the body for the angel. The link is below. I am using the ephemeral type and the apothecary labels to personalize my angels. Whenever you're using a stamp that is brand new, you want to lightly sand it so that the ink will absorb. You'll only need to do this one time.
Train ride just to see you, ride for hours just to please you. You don't know how much I need you, 'cause you're my home away from home, away from home, away from being alone.
You're gonna see me flip the paper over here. The only reason I did that was because I felt like I messed up, so I'm using the other side. This paper is gorgeous and thick, and the ink won't show through on the other side, so you have two chances.
Why don't you? 'Cause I did the same just for you. You don't know how much I love you.
I just got through working out, and there is some new stuff here. I don't know if it's anything worth taking, but I want to show it to you because it's pretty cool. All right, I think this velvet chair, even though it's really tattered, could have so many possibilities. Whoa, and there was a guy sleeping on the couch. Okay, we're gonna go. Oh my gosh, you guys, I don't know if I caught that on camera or not. That scared me. There was somebody sleeping on the couch, and I was inches away about to wake him up. I was not expecting that. That's never happened before. These books were just $2 each, and then I found this really cute jacket. I think Ellie would love it, but I wasn't sure because you just never know what she's gonna like. I want you to notice the price of this Christmas topiary at Home Goods. I have a beautiful idea to make something similar, but better, and a lot more affordable, so be sure and subscribe so you don't miss that video. I'm tracing the angels because I'm gonna put felt on the back to make them stronger.
I hope to make you my own for the train ride home. I hope to make you my own for the train ride home. I hope to make you my own for the train ride home.
The secret to bringing out all the detail in the molds is to get the decrepit dust down in the low spots. Wipe it off as much as you can. It's gonna be dirty, so you need to dry brush over the top, and then you have that beautiful contrast. Get all the paint off of your brush and just lightly dry brush over the top. Now I'm hot gluing my paper together to create a cone for the angels. I am putting glue in between the back of the angel and the felt so I can sandwich ribbon in between the two layers to create a hanger. The final step is to add gold glitter to the edges of the paper and glue the angel onto the cone. What are you doing, Bobby?
I'm putting up the deer head.
Brought me another steak, Bobby.
What?
Oh dear. Oh dear, the deer.
Help!
We had to move him to the kitchen because he wouldn't fit. What do you think, Bobby?
I think you need to put some tape around this so it's not so loose.
Before I finish up these ornaments, I want to tell you that I'm going to be in Tulsa, Oklahoma on December 7th for a paint workshop with Dion Woods of the Turquoise Iris. We do a workshop together every year. It is so much fun. We pull people up and let them paint on our furniture. There's lots of great tips, and it's a paint party. If you are interested, I would love to meet you there. I'm going to put the link with all of the information in the description box below. And just like with the angel ornaments, I am adding white glue over the top of the clay to make the ornaments a little bit stronger. After the glue completely dries, I am adding our Painterly Artist Paint. This is a non-acrylic artist paint. Right now we are having a flash sale. If you buy 2 tubes, you get 1 for free. The sale only lasts until Monday. The link is below. If you would like to try Painterly, now is a great time. I'm using a very tiny brush to get all the details of the faces. You're gonna see here that they look a little messed up. That's because I needed to get my face closer to the ornaments to actually see what I was doing. So after I turned off the camera, I went back and fixed them. When you are painting molds, the key thing that makes a big difference is to dry brush at the very end. Just like the angel ornaments, I'm doing the same with these ornaments. I'm gonna have Ellie cut in a clip from the gingerbread ornaments that I did last year because they're bigger and you can see better how the dry brushing really makes a difference. The last thing I did was clean up the tiny mirrors with a Q-tip and some water. Our paint is easily reactivated with water, so it's very easy to clean up the extra paint.
I love you, Madeline. I love you, Madeline.
To find DIY paint in your area or to sell it in your store, or for links to all the products we used in this video, click the link below. Thanks for watching.
From the moment I laid eyes on you, every breath was a gift. Felt like I was living in a dream. From the moment that I felt your kiss, there was something that stirred me like crazy. I love you, Madeline. I love you, Madeline. I love you, Madeline. I'm madly in love with you. I'd climb any mountain so high, walk through valleys so low. Oh, there's no place I wouldn't go. No, 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 no.
Cheers.
Who made that for you? This is for all you people who worry that we don't treat them well. Ellie, what was in that burger?
I made him a Krabby Patty. It was bacon, garlic aioli, burger, cheese, lettuce, tomato, grilled onion, pickles.